Creating a home office where you can work and relax is one of the best ways to get the most out of your space. In this room, we've created a mid-century modern theme and started with a neutral-colored sofa. The coffee table features a sleek design and offers lots of storage options. The matching end table fits with the theme and adds in a modern touch with USB charging options. The large area rug and coordinating poof provide lots of comfort and texture to the room. The minimalist shelves create the perfect place to display your personal items and offer lots of additional storage. The sleek entertainment center offers even more storage and is the perfect focal point when you're ready to relax. In the opposite corner, we've created a small office nook for when it's time to get some work done. The unrefined wood desk provides lots of character and plenty of space, and we've dressed up the area with earth-toned artwork and accessories. The additional chair creates more seating space and a place to relax. Create a room that inspires and motivates you to do your best work. As always, you can find everything in this room and more at American Furniture Warehouse.